laughing. Now it's time to get serious as we get ready to give away tonight's prizes. $10,000 for first place, $3,000 for second place, and $2,000 for third. But now, let's meet our nominees. First up, a big dog that fetched himself a little lunch. It's Sabin the Sandwich Stealer, sent in by Matt and Kelly White from Hartselle, Alabama.
What is this? What's in your mouth right now, Sabin? Are you trying to... Oh, there it is. Okay.
The next video, competing for cash, features a woman freaking out with some help from a plumber's helper. It's Perilous Plunger Prank, sent in by Katie and James Reynolds from Bella Vista, Arkansas.
It's almost as if she doesn't want you to touch her with that thing that's been in the toilet.
Don't stop it! Please quit!
And finally, the video that features a little lozenge lover that didn't need much for Christmas. It's Cough Drop Kid, sent in by the Stoloronic family from Griswold, Connecticut.
Well, maybe Santa will bring you toys and cough drops.
No!
You don't want any toys.
Just cough drops.
What if Santa brings you toys? What are you going to do with them?
I'm just gonna hold the toys.
Our audience has seen the three nominees. Now it's time to vote. And while they're voting, check out tonight's honorable mentions. Our third place $2,000 winner is Sabin the Sandwich Stealer, sent in by Matt and Kelly White from Hartselle, Alabama. And the winner of the $10,000 and tonight's funniest home video is Cough Drop Kid, sent in by the Stoloronic family from Griswold, Connecticut. We have Phil, Carter, and Michelle. Hey guys, congratulations! How are you guys doing?
Good.
Yes, you wanted some cough drops, didn't you? Mm-hmm. Yeah, are those your favorite?
Mm-hmm.
They're the best, right? So now, what other presents did you get for Christmas?
I can only remember.
You only remember the cough drops. Yeah, you're like, I don't care about anything else. That's all I wanted. Well, you know what? I was just thinking, since I know, it was last Christmas, but it feels like, why don't we repeat it? You know what I mean? Because I've got some cough drops on a stick for you. Look at you.
What do you say?
Thank you.
He said, thank you. Oh, I love it. Listen, congratulations, guys. You got $10,000, and we'll see you back here again on our $100,000 show. All right? Yes, congrats. There you go. And you'll be able to get as many cough drops on a stick as you want.
I'm 100.
He's like 100. I love it. Congrats, guys. Have a very Merry Christmas. We'll see you next time. And remember, if you send us a video and it airs on the show, we'll send you an AFV t-shirt. So, upload to us, get rich, get famous. Good night, everybody.